In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart from scratch in Smartsheet. If you're managing a project and need a clear visual timeline, this walkthrough will take you from a simple task list to a dynamic Gantt chart you can actually use to track progress, manage deadlines, and keep everyone on the same page. Before clicking around, there's one key requirement to understand. For Smartsheet to draw a Gantt chart correctly, your sheet needs a start date column and either an end date column or a duration column. Without those time anchors, Smartsheet can't place your tasks on a timeline. Think of it like booking a hotel. You need a check-in and a checkout for the reservation to make sense. Let's set that up. Click the column where you want to store your start dates. Right-click the column header, choose Column Properties, and change the column type to Date. Do the same for your end date column. This part is critical, so double-check both columns are truly set to date. If you prefer working with duration instead of end dates, just make sure your start dates are accurate and keep your durations consistent so the timeline calculates correctly. Also, try to keep your date formats consistent across the sheet to avoid display issues later. With the date columns ready, move on to your task data. You might already have items like designing a logo, writing content, or launching a product. Put each task on its own row and fill in the start and end dates for each one. If you haven't added tasks yet, pause and enter them now. Don't worry if the dates aren't perfect. You can adjust them as your project evolves. Now let's switch to the Gantt view. At the top of the Smartsheet window, look for the View options. By default, you'll be in Grid View, which looks like a spreadsheet. Click Grid, then choose Gantt Chart from the available options. Smartsheet will immediately convert your data into a timeline. Each task appears as a bar spanning from its start to its end date. You'll instantly see overlaps, phases, and potential conflicts, giving you a clear, big-picture view of the project. From here, you can keep editing in Gantt view, drag task bars to adjust dates, update task details, and add dependencies between tasks. If something doesn't display, revisit your start and end date columns. Missing or incorrectly formatted dates are the most common culprits. And that's it. You've created a Gantt chart in Smartsheet from scratch. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.